Hi, I'm Colin with Blue Marble Consulting, and in this video we're going to take a look at how to lower your days sales outstanding using SAP's S/4HANA Simple Finance. We'll take a few steps to do this. First, we'll quickly analyze the days sales outstanding using SAP Fiori and different KPIs. We'll open up our total receivables and we'll check the overdue items and make necessary changes to lower that DSO. And there are also a few steps that we'll take to lower the DSO further. We'll also change the terms of payment for customers, and we'll also apply on-account payments to customer invoices. And then after everything is said and done, we'll go ahead and recheck that DSO after we took those necessary steps. So let's get started. So this user will first review the days sales outstanding for the last 12 months via his dashboard, which we can do right here. We can just click on this tile, just take a look at that. So we can see that the days sales outstanding were in the 40s the last few months, but recently they've skyrocketed, and we need to get to the bottom of this and figure out what's driving this days sales outstanding to increase. So in this scenario, we will want to focus our efforts on the customers with the highest DSO and where we are also doing the most business. So if the DSO is very high, it would make sense to focus on a customer that does more volume. So from here, we can change the layout from by period to by customer, and we'll take a look at the top four. And we can see that this SF Customer 01 has the highest days sales outstanding by a pretty wide margin. So now that we know this bit of information, we can go back to the home screen and continue to investigate further. So our next step in the process is we'll be taking a look at the total receivables, and we'll check the total receivable amounts in different views like period, top 10 customers, company code, accounting clerk, etc. So from here we'll just click on the total receivables tile to bring that up. So here we see the layout of total receivables by due period. What we'll do now is change this to the top four customers again, and we'll view our top customers by total receivables. Now again, in this situation, we can see that this SF Customer 01 has a pretty wide margin on the other top four customers by total receivables. Now from here, we can drill down further into this particular customer and take corrective action. So I can click on this customer's name. We can do a variety of different things from the screen. In this case, we'll go to Manage Customer Line Items. Now with Simple Finance and SAP HANA, we always have direct access to these line item details. So we can see from the screen that there are 279 line items for this particular customer, and that most of them have payment terms of net 60. So what we will do is go in and we'll have to lower days sales outstanding by changing these terms of payment to net 30 for the customer to pay within 30 days. So to do that, we can go in and change the customer master data. So we'll click on this customer right here. Then we can go to Display Customer Master Data. This will bring up, we can also display this and then change the customer master data from this area. So now I'll click on Billing, and I'll make sure that we have our other fields filled out up here, so we'll make sure that these are correct. And we'll go ahead and hit Enter. And from here we can just go in and change the payment terms from what they are currently to net 30. And I will go ahead and save. Alright, now we can see that the changes have been made and that we've changed the payment terms for this customer. Now another issue that we run into that can increase the days sales outstanding is when payments are applied to the customer account, but the individual line items are not actually cleared. And then these items will actually age older than they are, so we will have to pay those customer items. So to do so, it will be similar to the last process. We'll click on the customer name, then we'll go to Clear Incoming Payments. And we can see that there are 2 payments that need to be applied in this work list. And to clear these, we can just click on this arrow to the right here. And we can see this payment information that appears at the top of the screen appearing in negative balance. There are also a bunch of different open items down here that may be matches, but there will be one that's an exact match of $238,400. So we'll find that amount and we will clear it out. So here it is right here. We'll just click this clear button. You can also see now that the balance is down to 0. We'll then click Post to continue from here. Now, after this item is posted, we can return to the home screen. So that concludes the process on how to lower your company's day sales outstanding using SAP's S/4HANA Simple Finance. As an authorized reseller, Blue Marble Consulting can implement a solution just like this for you. For more information on SAP's S/4HANA Simple Finance, please call one of the numbers listed here. And for a full extensive list of all the Fiori apps available, please visit our website at sap-bmc.com/Fiori.